This video will be in broken language, and thank you for stopping by. I truly salute my people. Today, as you can see, na trailer dey drive for Germany, and my trip today it go be from Munich to Hamburg. And wetin me load now, according to what I saw, is bearing. And I'm gonna be offloading in BMW company, that is BMW. The thing dey heavy, so I got to be careful. So I get one story why I go knack you guys as I journey this my travel, as I dey drive dey go. This story where I won't tell, I think in one way or the other it will be a profitable one. So I won't tell you how I take become trailer driver. Okay, no be how I take become, but wetin make me come be trailer driver. Because if person say how, it means the process where the person waka, how he take manage get there. But wetin me want talk today na person wey inspire me, the person wey I see, the motivation, the idea, the origin of the idea, how me take come decide say I want do the license for abroad. It all started when I enter this obodo you go call Germany. When I come watch how things tough, I watch people where they work for office, I watch people where they work for lager, all this warehouse them. Me, I was 27 years at that time. And this great man of God, he just took me as a son. With so much love, he want to advise me. So at this good day, being say me too, I took him as a father up till now. So he decided to talk to me because wetin we want talk, it dey long. So he can just say make I follow and go work. Na so I join car. Na so we come dey drive. We can't get to their working place. He already told me before saying be trailer driver, and I passed the senior pastor of the church where I later get ordination. I come the pastor in his church, and then from there I can't get my own later. So as we come the drive, he was now counseling me like a son and a father. So it took almost 4 hours before he come there exhausted. And so he still dey work because he go get one place, he go call offload, he go go another place, he go call offload. I was just watching because it was my first time joining him. In fact, joining anyone with a drive trailer for abroad. At first, me no just come like am immediately, because I was looking at wetin they do, like say na risk full everywhere. How person go come abroad come dey drive trailer? I was just looking at him, though I was paying attention on our discussion. But as the time come dey go, we come close for that day. The next time where I follow and work, I come dey develop the interest, because that time I don dey notice wetin dey for the country. What they the khaki no be leather, So after our discussion now, or within the period of our talk, I don dey ask am, what are the processes, wetin you go do to become trailer driver? Because I don dey see wetin they do, but how do you get there? So he can gist me small, how and where to go and what to do. At that time wey we dey talk, so I never get paper, I never get any residence permit. So from that time, any work where I see, I go dey compare. I don dey ration, say which work you go dey do, where you go still dey make phone call as you like, where you go even carry person follow where you go get your own time for your own self, because I don't go try one work. So now so they tell me say fast. I go they do eye service. In fact, not only me, almost all the people where they there they do eye service. You go they do, like say you want to please the oga, where they say you they work fast. All those kind of things. I can't they compare. Every time when I go do another work, I go check myself, I go check that man, I will follow and go work. I can't see say it's like the only thing where the man they do now, because the work when they do now in the offload. You get other trailer works too when you no go offload, like this one why they do. Yeah, another offload, another load. If I offload, they go pay me extra. If I do, because I get also the license for forklift. But for that man own, that pastor, now in the offload. But the offload is not a bad one, it's not hard. So at initial stage, and be no like am, but when I come stay, they see wetin others they do. I'll come do plus and minus. I come see say, it be like say this pastor work good, we go just drive before you know it. And anyway, na another day I go talk about the income and the hours. But today, I just want to give credit to the person wey get time, to give honor or credit, to accredit the person wey push me, the motivation wey I get, where I can't go they do trailer license. Now this man, his name na Pastor Henry Nadeye. So I must always appreciate him and appreciate God for his life, because sometimes we fail to give honor to whom honor is due, and it's literally robbing that person's glory. And for me, I didn't just have it in mind, say I won't come be trailer driver from Niger. As I reach here, so I can't my eye can't clear. My eye can't clear, I can't look. And they look everybody, some they work for warehouse. You go just day there like rabbit until 8 hours or more. You can't they go home. You no go even feel make call. Some go day somewhere they work like robots. Honestly, I decided to go to school. Na story for another day. But this trailer work, this man I see, I can't conceive the idea like pregnancy. When time come they pass, they go. Even when I can't get paper, I just know say immediately. Let me, even if I no want to be trailer driver, just like now. May I go do the license, hold on for hand first, before we come the talk of next thing, what you want to do again, and so on and so forth. I really not just want to make this video past 10 minutes. However, may una comment for comment section which one I want to see, make I dey bring come. I get two profession. I dey pastor church, but I dey do trailer driving. Say for abroad, they like our place where we say members go dey give you money anyhow. For here, now we even go carry them from house. Sometimes they go home, they go still ask you for one or two support. So you need to work, So I dey work like Jackie, to the glory of God that gave us the strength. We go dey work, they go. So this my channel. May wanna help me, support me. I want to switch a little bit to my profession, which is trailer driving. I get another channel where they do church thing. But this one now I go to yarn on here. I go to use broken and Igbo. And any question where you get about abroad and the work, the area where I know, I must tell you step by step. Yeah. Thank you for stopping by. Make we yarn again for another video. Like and share. Thank you. Bye.